Alright guys, this is how the crank looking so far. Crank looking good. Everything looks good except the block right here broke, and then that means the timing belt came off, and you know the valves are bent. Those are bent, so I might just have to source a whole engine from the junkyard, and that way it can save me some time. I think a whole long block is like $300, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that from the junkyard, and then we should be good to go. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.